welcome back to Marketing Prof for another unique tutorial, unique walkthrough about this voiceover tool, a text-to-speech tool. It's a paid text-to-speech tool, okay, that's being used frequently on the channel and for our projects, okay. Yeah, so this tool is known as Create Studio by Vidello, okay? It's not like Google's WaveNet, whereby we can use the Chrome or Edge extension, the free Chrome or Edge extension, and we don't have to access our Google API's key or so. We just have to use this program over here, and yeah, so let's preview what this program, this software can do. Yeah, if you haven't seen this kind of video before, never mind, because it's quite popular nowadays on popular platforms such as Facebook or Instagram. Yeah, so this is called Scroll Stopper. So what happens if we want to add a voiceover? So we don't have to head over to our Chrome or Edge extension. You can just head over to this text to speech, just click on it, okay. Then there's like all these different languages and accent. We've got English, okay, we've got Hindi, we've got Chinese Mandarin, okay, and the Taiwanese accent as well. And there's like Spanish, okay, and all the other languages that you want to use. Yeah, so let's pick the default, which is like US English, okay, US accent. So the speed is 1, okay, which is the default, because minimum is 0.25 and maximum, which is 4, okay. So we can switch it back to 1, yeah, maybe 1.1 times faster. All right, and the pitch, this time around, it has a wider range, okay, from -20 all the way to 20, okay, which is a much wider range compared to the Chrome or Edge extension for that Google WaveNet, okay. So you can also check it out at the link at the description for the walkthrough. Alright, so there's this pitch. Let's make it like about 4%. 4 times faster. 4. Okay, so let's type a message. Alright, so let's generate. Let's preview it.
Hi, welcome to Marketing Professor.
Yeah, it's Marketing Prof. Okay, so we can import to Media Library. Okay, and there's also different types of voices. Okay, over here, different type of characters. So there's like Michelle. Okay, let's generate again and let's preview.
Hi, welcome to Marketing Professor.
Yeah, cool. So we can just import to Media Library, okay, and we can even add 2-second pause by adding this command according to this notice over here, which is example. To add a 2-second pause, just use this command. Yeah, it's that easy. All right, so now let's add maybe add Michelle over here. We can also preview it here.
Hi, welcome to Marketing Professor.
Yeah, so then we can just drag and drop it over here, and let's slide to the beginning of the video for demo purpose.
Hi, welcome to Marketing Professor.
Alright, don't you think it's cool? Yeah, so not just that, there's also a wide range of different scroll stopper that we can pick from this Create Studio. Okay, there's all these different kind of effects and UI. We can create this kind of cool videos. You can just subscribe using the link at the description for the commercial license, and you can create this kind of cool scroll stopper videos for your social media account. Alright, so if you like the tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the voiceover tools or maybe animation video tools that you're using frequently at the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell notification.